Is Redbubble reliable? You would be thinking about it after a few days when all those things are happening currently in the Redbubble. You would be thinking that, is Redbubble reliable? Well, I'm going to answer this question and I'm going to talk more about that, about the Redbubble in this video. So if you're interested in that, then let's get started with today's video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel, where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. From few days back, I have already made a video talking about the massive account suspension onto the Redbubble. Within a 24 hours, within 1 or 2 days, tons of Redbubble account has been suspended without giving any proper reason or anything like that. And there was like bumped with the comments, bumped with the messages on the social media, on the Facebook groups, on the YouTube comments. There were many people who were asking about why is this happening, how they can get their account back, and they were thinking what was the reason behind it and all that. Still, we are thinking that we are just waiting from a response from the Redbubble, or we are waiting for kind of like an update from the Redbubble to actually know what was happened and why so many Redbubble account has been suspended, why there are few hours and tons of accounts have been suspended. What was the reason behind it? Whether it was a glitch due to the error in their system or due to the spam filter, like we are still wondering about it, but we don't know the exact reason. Some are also saying that there was tons of copyright trademark material were there on the platform and they want to get rid of that, so they took that decision and they do the massive account suspension on the platform to remove those designs. But who knows what's the reason behind it? Until we hear any recent update from the Redbubble, we don't know whether this is a real exact reason, that due to the copyright trademark or something like that. But again, we can't say that because tons of the Redbubble account that has been suspended within few hours, not all people were following the copyrights, not all people were infringing the copyright or trademark. Some people, like there could be the many people who are really genuine and who are really making genuine designs, but their account has been suspended too. So we don't know what's the reason behind it. We are still waiting for an update from the Redbubble and all that, and many people have their question in their mind. And after making that video talking about the massive account suspension, I was a huge comment from the people, and they were saying that we don't believe in Redbubble anymore and what we should do next. And some were quite panicking about it, others were quite angry because their account has been suspended and they were having thousands of designs on their shop and their shop was going well and all that. So now they don't know what they need to do next. Sorry guys, I'm interrupting in between this video, but I really want to tell you that we have launched our art business magazine February 2021 on the 1st February. So if you're interested in purchasing the art magazine issue, the link is in description box below. Use the code 20 at checkout to get 20% off on our Globo Arte Art business magazine. This is the first edition of our art business magazine that we are releasing in February 2021, which is mainly focusing on the print on demand platforms, talking about the 4 different types of print on demand platforms, how you can utilize it, talking about the tips and tricks to grow on these platforms and how you can utilize these platforms and can start selling your art and designs on these platforms. So if you're interested in purchasing this art business magazine edition, the link of this art magazine edition is in the description box below. You can go on that, and don't forget to use the code 20 at checkout to get 20% off while purchasing this Globo Arte business magazine. Now let's get started with the main video, guys. So there is a big question whether is Redbubble still reliable or not, like what we need to do next and all that. There was many questions regarding it and people were like, what we do next? We have emailed them, we have sent them a message on the Twitter, we have contacted how we can contact to the Redbubble, but haven't got any response from them. And should we need to believe in Redbubble still more? Should we need to take it into as a print on demand website anymore, or should we just need to move on and figure out for something other thing to make money online, some other print on demand websites or something like that? So these are the questions that was pondering in many people's minds. So share something with you guys. I want to talk about some things that will really going to help you to earn more passive income online from your own print on demand websites and all that. So one important thing I want to talk about is don't keep your eggs in one basket, which is so important in the online space. And I really want to tell you that I also have multiple different online businesses. I really understand that many of you people only want to do print on demand. They only want to sell their print on demand designs. they don't want to get started with some other online businesses. But then still, guys, you can check out for other websites out there. Like you can also check out for the Teepublic or the Merch by Amazon, Society6, Spreadshirt, Jazzle, Cafe Press. If you want to go with the Teespring, there are many different print-on-demand websites out there. You can also get started with your making own print-on-demand website with the Shopify, with the Wix, with the WordPress, and can integrate with the Printful, Printify, or Gooden, and then can start with your own print-on-demand shop on your own website where you have full control. Where you can have full control, you don't have any competition, and where you can manage your own shop. You know that you have full control. Nobody can remove your designs from your own website or shop. So I want to tell you that don't keep your eggs in one basket. If something has happened to you right now and your Redbubble shop has been suspended or something like that, yeah, it's very sad. I'm so sorry to hear that. But guys, I would want to tell you, learn a lesson from it and don't keep your eggs in one basket, because it will really going to help you in the long run. Of course, not many people are interested in getting started with the multiple different businesses. I really get that, because I am a person who believe having a multiple different online businesses. I do many things on the side apart from my print on demand. Like print on demand is just like completely 1/5 of my online businesses. I do the KDP, the audiobook, my own online magazine, then the art printable shop, then the different types of all income streams. Like I produce music as well. I sell my own designs, I sell my own art. So I do the various different kinds of ways in which I can make passive income online, or either just making money online. And I am kind of like a person who believe more of the doing multiple businesses, because we don't know when one business will going to rise and other business will going down. Like we can control some businesses, but we can't control all the things about the business. So I've already made a video talking about the Jazzle step-by-step tutorial on how you can open up a shop on Jazzle, and how you can create a store, and how you can upload your design if you want to get started with the Jazzle. I have a complete tutorial you can check on the card section, guys, above. And also you can look out for other print-on-demand websites out there. You can go with the Merch by Amazon if you get an approval, because Amazon is one of the biggest marketplace out there, and also they have the tier system, so there are least spammers, there are least copyrights, and they review each and every design. So it's more kind of like a reliable platform. Like if you don't get an approval on Merch by Amazon, you can also try different print-on-demand websites like Society6, Spreadshirt, Jazzle, Cafe Press, Teespring. You can try various different types of print-on-demand website, guys. Just don't rely completely on one platform only, because we can't control it. Although we can, but unfortunately we can't control a third-party platform, how they're gonna do it, whether their policy changes, the terms and condition changes, and all that. And if you want to go start with some making serious income from your print-on-demand business, then you can get started with your own print-on-demand website. It could be with the Shopify, it could be with the Wix, Squarespace, WordPress. You can build up your own website and then integrate the Printful, Printify, Gooden, or there are many platforms out there. There are many websites out there who provide this facility, just like the Printful, Printify, and Gooden, and you can integrate with your own website and can sell your own print-on-demand designs or products onto your website, and can bring the customers, the followers if you have a social media followings. Or you can also go with the paid ads if you are convenient with the paid ads, and you can start with your own print-on-demand website out there to earn serious passive income online. And also, guys, it's your own website, so nobody can kick you out, nobody can suspend you, can ban you, or can do whatever they want to do with your shop, because you have the full control over your shop. You can control the copyright, the trademark. You don't have competition with anyone. Of course, if you're going with making a website, even with the Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace, it's not free. If you're going for something in the beginning to get started with your making own print-on-demand website, but it's really worth it, guys, because at the end of the day, your eggs are much in a safer zone, are much in a safer basket rather than the Redbubble basket. So that's what I want to talk to you guys in this video, because there are many people who are panicking about it, and the Redbubble account has been suspended. Some of them are having 2 shops, 3 shops, thousands of design, have put a lot of hard work into these shops, and they have made a beautiful designs, genuine designs, authentic design, and then in one day their shop has been suspended without getting any proper reason for that. It's really such a hard thing to hear about it. I really understand that, because guys, my Redbubble account has been also banned has also been suspended without giving me any proper reason. And I was also having 1,000 designs onto the Redbubble, were all authentic, were really made by me, because I am a designer, I am an artist, so I made all those designs. I put really many hours of the hard work in making these designs and then uploading onto the Redbubble and all that. So it really took so much time and hard work in making them. And then the one day you know that your Redbubble shop is no more, your account is banned, and it would feel really so bad. But we can learn a lesson from it, for a reply from Redbubble to get our account back and hoping up to things go back to normal. But we can't dictate the future that we'll be getting 100% our account back. We can't dictate that. So what we can do right now is we can start with our own print-on-demand website, or can move on to some other print-on-demand platform and put our eggs in various different baskets, because if one basket is gone, then we have other basket to get money from each month coming into our bank account. So that's a kind of like a security and safer zone we need to move. And most today I was feeling so bad when my Redbubble account has been suspended, and I tried all the ways I could to contact Redbubble, but nothing happened. Unfortunately, nothing happened. I felt more worse and more bad, but then I realized that this is a lesson that I can take it. This is a lesson that I can take. I don't need to keep my eggs in one basket, and I don't need to put so much, I don't need to be so much reliable on these third-party platforms, because in a way, these are third-party platform. We can't control Redbubble. We can't control it because it's their platform. It's not our platform. We are just the designers or the artists selling on the platform. In the one day, if they decided something to change on the platform, then we can't control it. Unfortunately, we can't control it. So what we can do to secure our business, to keep it in a safer basket, we can get started with our own business. Or if you are scary to invest some money in the very beginning to getting started with your own website, then I would say move on to some other print-on-demand platforms out there. There are many different print-on-demand platforms out there. You can get started with that right now without wasting so much time worrying about your Redbubble, because if you're getting your Redbubble account back, then it's really, really amazing. If you're getting your Redbubble account back, that's really amazing, guys. I also hope that. But if not, which I don't wish, but if not, then still you have something safer on your side. You have still something that is getting you money, income each month coming into your bank account. So that's all I want to talk to you guys in this video. And yeah, is Redbubble reliable? No. We can't control it. We can't control it. So we can't say that it's reliable. If we can control something, then we can say that we are reliable, that it's reliable. We can believe in it because we can control it. But since we can't control the Redbubble, so I can't say it's a reliable. If you are the one who are selling currently onto the Redbubble and your shop is still active, that's great for you. Keep on selling on them. I'm not discouraging you to not sell onto the Redbubble. Redbubble is amazing if it's working amazing for you. I'm not against that platform. I'm not against the Redbubble, but I'm just talking for those people who have their Redbubble account has been suspended and don't know what to do. So I'm talking from that perspective, for those people, so that I can help those people, so that they can still get some income coming each month from the print-on-demand business. So I hope that this video really makes some sense to you. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. And also let me know that whether you heard an email from the Redbubble talking about that massive account suspension, and whether you get your account back or not, and what they are telling. And if you have any update related to the massive account suspension, anything like that, let me know in the comment section below, guys, because it will really going to help other people as well. And let me know what you are thinking right now. What would be your next move after all these things happen, and what you will be doing next. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. And I hope that this video really helps you. This video really makes some sense to you, because that's what's the purpose of me making this video, to talk to those people whose account has been suspended and who don't know what to do next. So maybe I can talk to those people, maybe I can help you, maybe you can relate to it, because it happened to me as well. So I can relate it. I can really understand that. So that's all I want to say in this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. It's really helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.